Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export Salesforce object data into Excel. This is an incredibly useful skill when you need to analyze your data offline, create reports, or share information with team members who don't have Salesforce access. Let's jump right in and get your data exported. First, you'll want to click on the App Launcher, which is that waffle icon located in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This icon opens up a menu that gives you access to all your apps and objects within Salesforce. It's your starting point for navigating to any object you want to work with. Once the app launcher is open, use the search bar to find the specific object you want to export. For example, if you're looking to export account data, simply type accounts into the search field and then select accounts from the results. This will take you directly to that objects tab where you can view all the records. Now that you're on your object tab, you'll see a drop-down menu for list views near the top of the page. Click on this drop-down and select the view that contains the data you want to export. You might choose all to see everything recently viewed for records you've accessed lately, or you can create a custom list view with specific filters and columns that match exactly what you need. This step is important because it determines which records and fields will be included in your export. With your desired list view displayed, look for the option labeled Printable View and click on it. This feature generates a simplified, printer-friendly version of your data that's perfect for copying. It removes the Salesforce interface elements and presents just the data in a clean format. Once the printable view loads, select all the data on the page using Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C. This copies everything to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into Excel. Next, open Microsoft Excel. You can use either the desktop application or the web version, whichever you prefer or have access to. Once Excel is open, click on cell A1 in the top left corner of your spreadsheet. This ensures your data will paste starting from the very first cell, keeping everything organized. Now paste the data using Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac. Your Salesforce data will populate the spreadsheet with columns and rows matching what you saw in the printable view. Finally, take a moment to adjust your columns and formatting as needed. You might want to widen columns to see full names, apply filters, or format dates and numbers. Once everything looks good, save your file as .xlx format to preserve all Excel functionality. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your Salesforce object data into Excel, giving you the flexibility to work with your information however you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.